Alright, I'm switching it up for this video. Instead of my usual tech and toy reviews, I'm bringing you along for a POV experience, filmed entirely on my Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. I wanted to see how this phone performs in real-world, high-motion settings, so I tested it out on one of Disneyland's most immersive rides, Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. The ride itself is dark, packed with strobe lights, moving vehicles, and sudden scene changes, basically a stress test for any smartphone camera. You'll also notice a little flickering in some parts of the footage. That's mostly from the ride's lighting effects and how the phone's sensor tries to adjust it in real time. Audio-wise, the built-in mic did a decent job capturing the ride dialogue and ambient effects. Anyway, enjoy the POV experience for this ride.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, go to the president.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Just follow us. Take the list down. Hurry!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.